for Technique Mystique. This week we're going to be making a simple human wire armature. All you need is 2 pieces of wire. Now these are about 10 inches. You can make them any size you want. And they're made out of armature wire, which is aluminum. And you can find that in any craft store. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take these and we're going to make a human body out of it. So we're going to go and cross them in the middle to make the spot for the legs. We're going to twist them around. This is going to end up being the torso of your body. One of the arms we're going to make a little bump on it. Like that. That's going to be the head. I'm going to take the other arm wire, I'm just going to wrap that around. And voila! You have the general human skeleton shape that you can add clay and bulking material to in order to create your sculpture of a person.
If you like this video, please hit the like button below. You can also subscribe to SterbART to be notified of the latest video uploads and to help support the channel. Keep learning, creating, and inspiring.